Hello everyone. Welcome to Magical Stocks channel, where fundamentals meet technical. PSE Index had a weak performance in the recent week. It went down from 7,019.18 this February 5, 2021 to 6,991.01 this February 12, 2021. This is equivalent to a minus 0.40% decline in the index for the week. Our magical stocks also went down together with the index. The first batch went down from 202.93k pesos to 202.28k pesos, or a minus 0.32% decline in our investment. The second batch went down from 183.25k pesos to 180.85k pesos, which is equivalent to a minus 1.31% decline in our investment. Overall, the total gain of our magical stocks went down from 45.46k to 42.41k pesos. For this week's video, we will update the first and second batches of magical stocks together with the November and December 2020 experimental magical stocks. We will have a separate video for the February 2021 screening. Before we proceed with our update, and if you are interested in investing using our magical stocks or simply like to monitor the effectiveness of our system, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. Let's first discuss the November experimental magical stocks performance from February 5, 2021 to February 12, 2021. Here is our worksheet for the experimental stocks. The November experimental stocks gain went down from 4.68% to 3.37%. A decrease which is equivalent to 1.31%. MEG went red from a green tick last week. It is now losing by minus 3.80%. DMC however went up from 5.3 pesos per share to 5.45 pesos per share. It is now just losing by minus 1.80%. Let's look at the trend which we started to monitor last November 20, 2020. The PSE Index went down from minus 2.10% to minus 2.49%, losing minus 0.39%. The experimental magical stocks also went down from 4.68% to 3.37%. Our experiment is still above the benchmark line and the gap is currently at 5.86% this February 12, 2021. Both the index and the experiment are in a downtrend with the index still below our benchmark. Let's now discuss the December experimental magical stocks performance from February 5, 2021 to February 12, 2021. Here is our worksheet for our December experimental stocks. FGen went down from 6.56% to 6.21%. AGI has a great performance coming from 10.0 pesos per share to 10.90 pesos per share. It is now just losing by minus 1.45%. Top loser is still DMC, which is now losing minus 10.07% coming from minus 12.54%. LTG is still on the green at 6.47%. Overall, December's magical stocks are already at break-even. Let's look at the trend of the experiment which we are comparing against the PSE Index. The PSE Index went down from minus 3.49% to minus 3.87%, losing minus 0.39%. The experimental magical stocks went up from minus 1.61% to now break-even. Our experiment increased its gap from 1.88% last February 5, 2021 to 3.87% this February 12, 2021. Our experiment now is at its break-even point. Here is the worksheet of our first and second batch of magical stocks. 4 out of 5 of our second batch of magical stocks are still in the red, only AP is gaining at a slim 0.47%. We are still confident that it will gain its momentum in the coming weeks if not months. To summarize our investment, the first batch of magical stocks is gaining 33.62% coming from 34.05%, while the second batch is losing by minus 4.62% coming from minus 3.36% last week. Overall, with an investment of 300,277.07 pesos, the current value of our investment is 342,407.61 pesos, which are equivalent to 14.03% coming from 15.05%. We have a good first batch of magical stocks and a trending second batch. That will be all for the magical stocks update this week. Thank you for watching. We will show the trend next week for the performance of the first and second batches of magical stocks plus the experimental stocks. We will also add the February 2021 screening. Quote, "There is a time to go long, a time to go short, and a time to go fishing." Unquote. Jesse Livermore. See you in the next video. Have a great day ahead.